where we are. What's this shit called?
Batu Caves.
Batu Caves. Okay. Today's day trip, Batu Caves. We took a Grab, which is like the Asian Uber. We paid like 15 ringgit, which is like €3. And yeah, now we reached this place and we have to walk all the way up. Let's see what the entry fees, and then we will go in. So you have here many shops for everything, Indian stuff, rubbish, more Indian food, and yeah. First things first, remove your shoes. Colorful as usual. Yeah. For the prayers. There you see some prayers. The temple itself. I don't know. The floor is dirty, my socks will get dirty. Yeah, ants everywhere. But yeah, holy place somehow. With an elephant eating another elephant, or eating something else. Eating a cow. I don't know. First floor, even more colorful. Outside temple, then you can do some praying here. And that's it. Very, very colorful. So we have to walk here now up next to this Buddha dude, to this top entry there. That's how it looks like for the next 200 steps. Yeah, the view is nice. So just run up, and it's easier to watch your friends suffering. But yeah, that's the view. How was the trip? Easy.
She's looking at the monkeys.
Which monkeys? Ah,
In the gate.
yeah. There are some monkeys. We will check them later when going down. Now the next one is coming. Go peanut, go peanut. That's how it looks like. Oh yeah. Disgusting. So if you go up, you will have a really bad smell. Oof, it stinks. Holy shit. I don't know what they're doing. Ah, they're cleaning the hose with the hose. Oof. Okay, never mind. Yeah.
I think he's just thinking.
He's just thinking. Now they're sleeping.
It's meditating.
Some more stairs, the last ones. And then we reached it. The top. So yeah, it's a nice small hike up to this cave, and then in the cave you can spend some time. Hopefully it's not smelling like here. But yeah, it's nice. Different time of temple. Different type of temple. And there you have some funny monkeys. There. Oh, there's also one. Searching for food.
Irgendwas Süßes, ein
That's a model show. Oh no, enough modeling.
They ask for chocolate.
They all want food. And in some parts of Asia they do trading with you. So they steal your stuff and then you have to give them some food that they give you the camera or whatever back, yes.
Hey monkey.
There is a
You got here everything. Pigeons, roosters, monkeys.
Humans.
Monkeys are kings.
He thinks he's a pigeon. Yes. We have them in Austria a lot. Caves like this where you can go in. So this is also part of this place next to the temple. It looks like these monkeys there, they're leaving the party.
Oh my god, calm down, boys.
Fighting.
And they don't fail.
No.
And that's the view of the temple. So actually it's written you have to pay 10 ringgit as a foreigner, but we didn't pay anything. I don't know, nobody asked. I don't know where you get the tickets from. So just go and then you will see if somebody tells you something or not. And now we're in a different part of Kuala Lumpur, some nature. We go for a small hike, but I see no mountain, but I think maybe that hill or the hill behind or this hill. And there should be a few animals and some aubergine, melanzani. How they are called? Oh, and nice birds.
Oh, now it's good.
Yeah, here it's fine. Not too hot, not too cold.
Yeah.
Really a nice jungle view here. Oh, jungle road.
Jungle book.
That's how thank you. That's how basic life looks like. Somewhere in the middle of the nowhere. That's how it looks like when a small tree falls down here in Kuala Lumpur. Look at the root. What's this shit? I think that's the waterfall, Terjun. And don't trust the pictures on Google which say it's like next to the entry. It's not. We came now from all over there, like over 1 kilometer. Now we had to switch the riverside. Now we continue to find the waterfall. And the problem is we have no food here and only like 1 liter of water. So let's see. Yeah.
Finances.
Finance, bro.
Yeah.
Let's see. The thing is, if something bites us or stings us, I think till we reach civilization, he or she is dead. Yeah! And we found the first waterfall in Kuala Lumpur. Yay! Terjun Tuchu Puterni, whatever. Let's see if the water is nice. Ah, yes. Yes. Ah, nice. A baby waterfall. He's gonna go under the waterfall.
Oh yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, nice. So you're actually coming from here. If you go to try to reach this waterfront, then you see this. You're wrong. You have this small red mark over here. Then you have to cross this nice river. Then you see this dude in underwear. And then there's another red thing on the tree. Then you know you're right, and just follow like maybe 5 more minutes and then you're there.